Hi everyone, today we're going to be reviewing meowsafe.com and I'm going to tell you what can be improved on the store in order to convert more sales without spending more on ads. Let's start from the top, open up our Chrome extension, our conversion rate optimization tool. Okay, as a hero banner or slider with a call to action button. Yes, copy is relevant to the call to action button, yes. So I love the hero banner, however, it's missing some sort of special offer or something to induce purchases right here, right now. Honestly, if you're getting great sales, there's no need to go lower with the price. But if you're running ad campaigns, a discount here could be useful to boost conversions. And not only could, it will. If you can go lower with your price, or if you haven't ran too many ads, you can bump up the old price and just use the current one as the discounted price. Okay, moving forward. Now, since there's not a lot of products, we're going to be ignoring the product category tips. You want the headline to link to it. You want it to be clickable because not everyone uses the button. Above, there's a shop now. You could try using one as well, maybe something more creative. But if the conversions are low for the section, this should be turned into more of a product instead of a section for an article, because that's how it looks like right now. If people are clicking through using the learn more and actually going through the purchase, then to increase conversions, I would recommend displaying a price because it can catch a lot of people off guard, and that's not what you want to do. The price is low, nothing to be scared of to show. That's why we want to show it straight off the beginning so people know what they're getting themselves into. And also, if you would change the button from learn more to something more actionable, something more relevant to shopping, I'm missing on social media feed or maybe some customer reviews because that would bump up the authority, the credibility of the store. Obviously, I went through it and I already saw there's products with tons of product reviews. However, you should display at least a few of them on the homepage. Could obviously make a whole section for product reviews, which could open up or lead to another page, but you need something that helps build the credibility. Obviously, you have a very beautiful store, it's nicely branded, but you need people to trust people. Now, this is about animals, but you need to hear from other people to be able to trust a brand more. That's the basics of building credibility. Our mission. This part in the footer is usually used for SEO improvement purposes. If you are using it to add some informative text, then you must also insert your domain name as a keyword and obviously any other relevant SEO keywords to boost your rankings. So our mission should be like meow safe. Mission should be the same in the description part, not only the headline. Keep your cat safe. I would say meow safe keeps your cat secure, happy, and healthy. Blah blah blah. Now moving forward to the subscribe to our emails. As you see, this obviously does the job. However, if you want to populate your email list, you must give them a special offer. If you want new subscribers, the best way to initiatize that is to give discounts, maybe $1 off, something that would make them feel like this is a steal, like they must sign up to your newsletter. Kylie Jenner does this with a 15% discount and a lot of other stores as well. You obviously have to make sense with your product margins, but giving something for the first purchase or just for signing up for the newsletter is always a great idea if you want people to subscribe to it. If you don't, I'd recommend removing it altogether so it wouldn't be a distraction and there would be a higher focus on the sale. Because people usually check out the newsletter for special offers, promotions, discounts. If they take their time in doing so and don't find anything of that sort, and they were looking for it previously, then this will cause you to lose a potential customer. So, in order to avoid that, you must follow either of the steps: remove it or improve it. Cart. Now, it's a separate page. This is a horrific customer experience because it does not allow to quickly add more products. It does advertise products below, but it does not allow for simple navigation. It moves to a different page once a new product is added, and it's difficult to manage products this way and to browse the remaining ones. So, how do we fix this? will make the cart into a slider, into a drawer, so that it moves out instead of moving to another page once you add something to the cart or once you click on it. If you use a drawer cart, all of these issues are fixed. That's why I super recommend it. You got another issue here. You're missing product recommendations and maybe a more welcoming, a more human introduction to what's happening. Of course, page not found is pretty clear for most people, but it's a cat website. Add a cat gif or a cat pic, something to add a smile, and then I would recommend adding products, relevant products, so people wouldn't be stopped in their purchase journey. That not only increases conversions, but helps you stop people from leaving. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach us on mantasdigital.com. Thanks for watching.